How to create workspace in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create workspace in Trello. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open the Trello official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And over here you will be able to see all the workspace that I have in my Trello account as of now. And in order to create the new one, just simply click on the create section from the top menu over here, and just simply go to start with a template. And you can see that there are so many different templates that you can choose from. So just choose the one that you would like the most, and after that just simply give it a name and just create the workspace over here. And once it is done, just simply click on choose a template or a category and choose the category of your choice. For example, you want to create for education, design, or anything like that, so you can select accordingly and just go to the template over here. And as you can see that your workspace has been created. So this is basically how simple it is to create workspace in Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.